Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying prerequisites. You need an active Azure subscription and the proper role to change identity assignments. Next, confirm that Michael is provisioned as the identity you will bind. This might be a user, service principal, or managed identity. Then, enable the Azure Latch resource and copy the resource ID and region. You will reference these values immediately. Once done, keep your Azure CLI or portal session open, because the next steps will use those identifiers to create the latch binding. Now you configure the latch binding and attach the right policies. Use Azure CLI or ARM template to run the bind command referencing the latch resource ID and the Michael identity. This establishes the control plane. Then, assign a least privilege role targeted to the latch scope so Michael gets only needed permissions. Finally, attach conditional policies. For example, require MFA, restrict by IP range, or set time windows. This enforces how and when the latch permits access. These steps lock down access behavior before activation. To finish, activate and verify the latch flow. Trigger an open event for the latch and have Michael perform the intended operation. Observe immediate behavior. Then, review Azure Activity Log and sign-in logs to confirm success or diagnose blocks. If something fails, validate that the Michael identity matches the bound principal. Ensure the role assignment scope includes the latch resource, and recheck conditional policy constraints like time windows or IP ranges. One key troubleshooting tip: temporarily relax a restriction.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.